Alright, since earlier today you took me in the first ever 6-lane race-off, now we're going to do the monster trucks. Are you ready with yours?
Yep, I'm ready. How are we going to do this? One at a time?
We're each going to have our 8 trucks, and let's show everybody the 8 trucks that we picked. You go first.
At a time?
That's fine. Team Hot Wheels, Captain's Curse, the Blue-Wheeled Son of a Digger, the Black El Toro Loco.
Now you get to choose your 4, and then we'll go. Then I'll do my rest.
Metal Militia, the Orange Crush, the Avenger, and the Grave Digger.
You took my Grave Digger. I'm gonna get you back for this. Where?
High Maintenance and Max D.
And Soldier of Fortune, Black Ops. Play the game.
Fortune, Black Ops.
You want to get me Prowler?
I've
Well,
got
you
the
can't
Prowler.
prowl on top of me. 'Cause I'm gonna prowl.
The Doomsday.
I have my doom.
Samson.
And the Jetston.
Not the Jetsons.
The Jester.
The Jester. Alright, so there they are. We're ready. See you at the track.